Hey everyone, today I am on another idea shopping trip where I go out to different stores and I check what's new in organizing supplies. You know, I like doing these idea trips because it's good to know what's out there. You want to put a good plan in place before you go shopping. And today I am at the mothership of all that is organized in this world. I am at the Container Store. I cannot wait because I have got some very big projects I'm working on right now. I am redoing my pantry, and that is kind of spilling over into redoing my refrigerator organization. And about a year ago, I won this. I never win anything. I don't know how it happened, but I won this on an Instagram contest with NAPO National. I follow them on Instagram. They are wonderful to follow. Go follow them over on Instagram. But I won this, and I think I might have to put it to good use today. Even though I'm idea shopping, I might get a couple of items for those big kitchen projects I have. So stick around. Let's see what I can find. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to share all my organizing tips, tricks, and strategies, and just if it has anything to do with organization, I like recording videos on it. So today, like I said, I'm going on an idea shopping trip, and that's where I go and check out what's new in all my favorite stores. And like I said in the intro, today I'm at the Container Store. It's like the mothership is calling me home whenever I'm here. I could get lost for hours, so I have actually 2 hours that I'm in between appointments, so I'm gonna have a little fun and see if I can put this to good use, okay? Thank you, NAPO National, for this opportunity with this card. I will definitely be posting a future video on what pantry or refrigerator organizational items I find, so be sure to check back. Hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you won't miss that video. Okay, so let's get in there. So let's talk closet organization. Check this open front acrylic bin. These bins are actually stackable, so just imagine how beautifully organized your purses could be when you use these. And then I saw these open front bins. They're shorter in height, but also stackable. They advertise storing your sweaters in these, but I gotta tell you, I'm a little concerned the opening isn't big enough to easily pull your sweaters out when you need them. And yep, at $25, they're a bit out of my budget today. Now these I really like. Again, they're stackable, but the fact that the front drops open is a big plus to me over the other style I just saw. The ridge on this lid would really help keep these bins secure when you stack them. Ooh, these bins are definitely out of my budget range, but they are so cool. Check out these stackable bins. I love all the different sizes that are available. These would really help you store a wide variety of items very neatly. I don't know about you, but I have all of these little odds and ends that I need to store in my closet. And with all the different sizes available with these bins, I could neatly and easily store them all in these. But again, if you need a lot of these, it might get pricey fast. Just a four-caster set costs $8. Oh, but these drawers slide out like butter. Now these shoe boxes are probably one of my favorite storage boxes ever. They are really made well. You can see that the lid snaps on very securely. But my favorite part of these shoe boxes are the sides. Look at this. The sides are nearly straight up and down. So many other shoe storage boxes have a side that goes out at an angle, but not these. They are straight up and down. If a box has a side that angles out, it makes for a lot of wasted storage space. And the ridge in the lid makes for an easy time stacking these gems. Okay, can I just say that a simple shoe rack can make all the difference, not only for your closet, but also near the door where shoes tend to magically reproduce. The Container Store has them in all shapes and sizes to fit your needs. And if you don't have enough space in your room for a dresser, these canvas hanging bags are extremely helpful. I love that they offer the open compartments, but I especially love the drawer-like bins that come with them. They have them in the short 3 cubby size or the larger 6 cubby size. They have a wider cubby size and a a narrow cubby size. You can mix and match the sizes to fit your needs. Ooh, look at these. These bins have a very unique design. Check it out. The tray on the bottom pulls out so smoothly. This could really be a game changer for organizing your closet. They come in small, medium, and large sizes, and the fact that they are over 20 inches deep leaves a lot of room to store a lot of stuff. Again, check your budget if you think these would work for you. Probably my favorite closet organizing system ever is the Alpha system from the Container Store. These little compartment trays fit beautifully in the shallower top bins and will help keep your watch, glasses, and other accessories neat and organized. The larger one has 7 compartments, and this smaller one has 5 compartments. These beautiful bins could double as a dresser in your closet. They have a wide variety of widths and depths to choose from, so you can beautifully store everything you need. I wish you could feel how smoothly these drawers slide in and out. It's magic, I tell you, magic. Woo, and look at this. You could hang scarves, belts, or even ties on these. It's like an all-in-one storage solution for your closet. And I love how deep these are. You can store so much stuff. We all know organizing our products under the sink can be tricky, but these cabinet baskets at the Container Store just made it easy peasy. Check out these cabinet baskets and these 2 tiered bath towers. The possibilities are endless for storing your bathroom supplies. These 2-drawer cabinet organizers would be great in small cabinets. Each drawer has these nice divider sections for added organization, and they slide really smoothly too. If you need more organization in your shower, these caddies will do the trick. They have all sorts of different styles that can hook over the shower head. They have some that suction to the wall, and others stand in the shower corner. Okay, when it comes to office organization, failure to plan is a plan to fail. So what better items to keep you on track than these to-do list and calendar whiteboards? I'm absolutely obsessed with whiteboards. I have them all over my house. I think I have 4 calendar whiteboards and maybe 4 or 5 blank whiteboards hanging on various walls throughout my home. Someone who visited my house recently said they had never seen so many whiteboards in one home. But the busier I get, the more I rely on my whiteboards to keep me on track. And the Container Store has so many amazing styles to choose from. Ooh, check out this chore chart whiteboard. Should I get it? Let me know in the comments below. Oh my gosh, look at these cord labeling tags. These will definitely keep me from unplugging the wrong cord. These tech organizers are awesome for keeping your electronic cords safely tucked away and organized. And this smaller organizer could probably fit into a purse or even a backpack. And here's the family size version. These are a must when it comes to travel. These cable lofts are a must if you have an open style desk with no drawers. You know the kind I'm talking about. It's so hard to keep your cords neat and organized with desks that have no backing or drawers to hide them. But this unit simply slides onto the back or the side of your desk, and it even has these little tabs on the side that you can wrap your cords around. Ingenious! Now when desktop space is tight, one helpful tool is a monitorizer. Aside from raising the height of your screen, it also provides you with storage underneath. This seafoam green color is so pretty, and check out the salmon peach color. I love adding touches of color to offices. And speaking of color, check out all of these gorgeous desktop organizers. How does that not just inspire you to want to work at your desk? I also found these cool 4-drawer accessory organizers. Again, if your desktop space is tight, this organizer can help because it utilizes height so well. And the drawers are really deep too, so they can hold a lot. And I love the curve in this design, which highlights the shorter drawers on the top and the deeper drawers on the bottom. This mini desk organizer could really help store other desk items that wouldn't normally fit in the vertical drawer organizer. Oh, and check out this bonus mini box it comes with too. Definitely some bonus organization there. And I love that it comes with these customizable dividers too for your smaller desktop items. You might say, I like it. Or if you have a little extra space on your desktop, they have these larger organizers too. Okay, so when it comes to crafts, the Container Store's got you covered. These super satchels are so cool when it comes to organizing your craft supplies. Whatever you need to store, you'll have a plethora of compartments to choose from because these satchels come with a ton of removable divider pieces. And they come in all different sizes from the very deep to the very slim. So there's no end to the items they can store. They also have storage containers with these adorable lift-out bins. And here's a smaller container for your really small craft supplies. Again, it's totally customizable. I really love how sturdy Container Store products are. I mean, just look at the handle on this case. Next, I found this spinning organizer and it really caught my eye. I think it's primarily because it looked like a giant Trivial Pursuit game piece with all these pie-shaped sections. But honestly, I love how you can easily see everything you have and you can just spin it around to see what's in the back. And then look at these marker holders. Each one holds up to 20 markers and they're even stackable. Each side has this tongue and groove that helps them connect securely on either the top or the side. How cool is that? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. There were just so many awesome organizing items at the Container Store that I wanted to show you that I think we need to break this up into 2 videos for you. So be sure to check back next week for part 2 of this Container Store shopping video, where I'm going to show you a lot of cool kitchen organizing items, garage organizing items, and other household organizing gems. So be sure to check back next week.
Okay, oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I could literally spend the entire day there, just going up and down the aisles. Oh, I love their products. Yes, they might be a little pricey, but they are 100% worth the cost. They are really made well. They think of every little detail, so it really helps you out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below, and out of all the things I showed you, what was your favorite item and what would you do with it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'll be doing a future video on a couple of the items I purchased today because I want to give a special shout out and thanks to Napo National on Instagram. Thank you for my gift card. I still have about $45 more to spend, but I'm going to come back because they were out of stock on a couple of the things I absolutely cannot do without, and I will show you those in a future video as well. So if you haven't already done so, click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I'll be uploading those videos. Take care, and I'll see you on the next shopping trip.
Hey there, fellow organizers! If you liked what you just watched, here are 2 more organizing videos you might enjoy. Be sure to check them out. And if you found the information I shared in this video helpful, let me know by clicking that like button down there because it really helps out my channel. To get even more organizing tips, you can always follow me on all my socials. The links are in the description box below. Happy organizing!